Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting video for our affiliate marketers in the UK. We're going to talk about the best alternatives to Clickbank right here in the United Kingdom. So if you're looking for new ways to monetize your online efforts, this video is for you. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Now, we have a lot of Clickbank videos in our channel, so you might want to check them out. But Clickbank is a popular affiliate marketing network and digital product marketplace, but it's not the only option available. So guys, if you're looking for alternatives to Clickbank in the UK, you can consider the following platforms, all right? So first off, we're going to hover here in the Amazon Associates, okay? So basically, Amazon has a massive affiliate program that allows you to promote and earn commissions on a wide range of products. It's especially popular for physical goods, and you can join the UK affiliate program if you are based here. Next on our roster is going to be the Rakuten Advertising. Okay, so Rakuten is a global affiliate marketing network that offers various products and services to promote, including fashion, electronics, and more. They have a presence in the UK as well. And for our next contender is gonna be Share a Sale. So basically, Share a Sale is an affiliate marketing network that offers a diverse range of products and services. They have a selection of UK-based affiliate programs. All right, for our next and fourth contender, it's gonna be Impact Radius. All right, I'm here at impact.com. So Impact Radius provides affiliate marketing and partnership automation solutions and has a big presence here in the UK. All right, and last but not the least is Partner Stack. So basically, Partner Stack is a platform designed for SaaS companies, making it a good choice if you're looking to promote software products. So many SaaS companies operate in the UK. Now, for our verdict, basically, when choosing an alternative to Clickbank, you should, number one, consider your niche, okay? Target audience and the types of products or services you want to promote. Because, if you ask me, each of these platforms has its own strengths and weaknesses. So it's essential to do your research and select the one that best fits your affiliate marketing goals and audience interest. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.